Welcome to the best picks. The best iPhone 13 zoom is probably one of the most exciting upgrades in mobile photography, allowing you to capture stunning shots from afar. With its advanced zoom capabilities, you can now get closer to the action without sacrificing image quality. Whether you're a seasoned photographer or just starting out, this lens opens up a whole new world of creative possibilities, letting you capture breathtaking landscapes, detailed portraits, and everything in between. Number 5. Xenvo Pro Lens Kit for iPhone and Android. This lens kit is compatible with all smartphones, tablets, and laptops. It works with all iPhone models, Samsung Galaxy and Note, Google Pixel, Huawei, and more. It includes a wide-angle lens, a macro lens, a lens clip, an LED light, a lanyard, a case, and a cleaning cloth. The TrueView 0.45x wide-angle lens lets you capture 45% more picture with every snap. It's perfect for shooting stunning photos of people, pets, travel scenery, and more. The lens is crafted from aircraft-grade aluminum and premium optical glass for durability and clarity. The Claris 15x macro lens magnifies nearby subjects for breathtaking, super close-up photos. You can capture all the details with precision focus. Position the macro lens approximately 1-2 inch from the subject for the best results. The True Grip lens clip offers superior gripping power. The Glow Clip rechargeable LED fill light instantly illuminates your subject and surroundings. The warm and natural LED light is superior to your smartphone's built-in flash. It has 3 brightness settings: low, medium, and high. The quick-release lanyard and travel case are perfect for taking the lenses with you on the go. The travel case stores and protects all the components. The quick-release lanyard makes it easy to access the lenses in a flash, so you never miss a photo opportunity. What we like. This kit is a great all-in-one solution with its wide-angle lens for capturing expansive scenes, a macro lens for detailed close-ups, and a built-in LED light to brighten up your shots. If you're looking for a versatile kit that covers a wide range of photography needs, you should consider this one. What people say. The macro and wide-angle lenses do work, and the LED light is a cool feature for low-light shots. The quality is worth the money. The light is super bright on the 3rd setting. And the focus on these lenses are very accurate, scary accurate. LOL, I looked under my nails and was grossed out. It's so detailed that I can see my fingerprints in such detail that I never seen before. The color accuracy is on point. It came in a nice packaging, has its own case, dust cloth, charging cable, and a mini light, which is great. Item and image quality is really great as well, doesn't feel flimsy and easy to focus. Number 4. KEYWING 3-in-1 Phone Camera Lens Kit. This 3-in-1 lens kit includes a 20x macro lens. It allows you to get incredibly close to your subject, with a focusing distance of just 1.18 to 3.54 inches. It's perfect for capturing intricate details. The 120 degrees wide-angle lens expands your field of view by 10%. It's great for capturing landscapes or group photos, giving you a much bigger view of the world. The 198 degrees fisheye lens creates a unique, distorted perspective. It adds a fun, artistic touch to your photos, making everything look cuter and more interesting. These lenses feature professional HD glass. They reduce reflections and ghosting, delivering amazing clarity and detail in every shot. The aluminum shell ensures durability. The lenses are easy to use with a clip-on design. Simply attach the lens to the clip and clip it onto your phone's camera. The soft rubber protects your phone from scratches, and the strong spring ensures a secure fit. The 3.6 cm clip is compatible with most smartphones, including iPhone, Samsung, and Google phones. For best results, remove your phone case before use. The kit includes the wide-angle lens, fisheye lens, macro lens, universal clip, storage bag, and user manual. Everything you need to start taking amazing photos with your phone is included. What we like. This kit offers a unique 3-in-1 design, including a fisheye lens for creative shots and a macro lens for detailed close-ups. If you like experimenting with different perspectives and want a compact, easy-to-use kit, it's a great choice. What people say. Outstanding product, turns any phone into a great camera. I purchased this set mainly for the 20x macro lens. I needed it for a botany assignment. I wasn't expecting much since it was so inexpensive, but I was pleasantly surprised. I got close enough to see an ant's eyes and the ovules inside a blueberry flower, which is pretty friggin' close. It was easy to attach to my phone, Pixel 7 Pro. All three lenses came with no scratches, covers on both ends, and they're metal, which is awesome. The clip fit over my phone lenses perfectly. The clip is super strong, and provides great stability. The overall image quality once you get it dialed on is awesome. Number 3. Godefa 14-in-1 Phone Camera Lens Kit. This kit includes a variety of lenses, such as wide-angle, macro, and fisheye. It also comes with a selfie ring light. This allows you to capture stunning photos and videos with your smartphone. The kit features lenses like wide-angle, telephoto, and macro. There are also kaleidoscope and starburst lenses. Each lens offers a unique effect, expanding your creative possibilities. The lenses are made with high-quality glass. This ensures sharp images with minimal distortion. You'll notice the difference in the clarity and detail of your photos. The kit includes lenses for various effects. The fisheye lens gives a fun, circular view. CPL filters reduce reflections, and starburst lenses add a dramatic flair. This kit is designed to work with most smartphones. It easily clips onto your device. It is compatible with many iPhone and Samsung models, and more. What we like. This kit stands out with its 14-in-1 lenses, offering a wide array of creative options, including a selfie light. If you are looking for maximum versatility and want to explore different photographic styles, this is the one for you. What people say. These lenses are excellent and easy to use and add a lot of flair to your videos or pictures that you take. The picture quality is perfect. The lenses and camera clip are extremely easy to use, and the selfie light works great with a lot of different lighting options to fit your needs. Everything comes in a really nice little zip-up case with handle, so you can keep everything together in order and safe from breaking or losing something. The camera lenses are very good quality, it's easy to use and easy to change the lenses quickly. Different lenses has different zoom range, the wide-angle lens works as expected. Number 2. Phone Camera Lens Kit, 11 lenses. Tired of basic phone photos? This lens kit is your answer. It transforms your smartphone into a versatile camera, opening up a world of creative possibilities. With 11 different lenses, you'll be ready for any situation. From fisheye to macro, wide angle to everything in between, it has you covered. It allows you to capture stunning images with ease. Made with high-class glass, this lens kit ensures clear, crisp images. It minimizes reflections and distortions, so your photos look professional. This kit works with almost any smartphone. It easily attaches to your device, and allows you to swap lenses quickly. It's designed for convenience and versatility. We're confident you'll love this product. If you're not satisfied, contact us. It's a hassle-free purchase, so you can buy with confidence. What we like. This kit provides a comprehensive 11-in-1 lens selection, ensuring you have the right tool for any shot. If you are a mobile photographer who wants a complete set of lenses, it's a great choice. What people say. The lenses are very easy to use and stay clipped in place very well. The pictures she takes are really detailed and clear, and she has a ball using the macro lens to see what things really look like when magnified. These lenses offer an incredible range of versatility and options for capturing unique shots. Whether it's a wide-angle lens for breathtaking landscapes, a macro lens for stunning close-ups, or a fisheye lens for a fun and distorted effect, this pack has it all. Number 1. APEXEL Macro Lens for Smartphones. Tired of blurry close-ups? This macro lens transforms your phone into a professional camera. It allows you to capture stunning details you never thought possible. This lens uses high-quality glass, not cheap plastic. Multiple layers of coating enhance light transmission, resulting in clear, distortion-free images without dark corners. The large aperture creates a beautiful background blur, making your subject stand out. It offers a natural and soft effect, truly enhancing your photos. No app or special case is needed. The clip-on design makes it easy to attach to almost any phone. The optimal distance is between 1.5 to 2.7 inches. Whether you have an iPhone, Samsung, or Android, this lens is compatible. The clip is designed to fit a wide range of devices, so you can start taking macro photos immediately. The package includes the macro lens, clip, manual, cleaning cloth, and a waterproof storage bag. Remember to avoid cleaning the lens with alcohol to protect the coating. Contact us if you have any questions. What we like. This kit features a professional optical lens for high-quality images and a large aperture for beautiful bokeh effects. If you have a passion for macro photography and want to capture stunning close-up shots, it's the perfect choice. What people say. Fits my iPhone SE perfectly. I was very satisfied with the results. It captures astounding levels of detail for a cheap slap-on phone lens, and it's great for snapping pics of tiny to medium-ish sized critters. Can take detailed pictures of my little aquarium critters but is very limited to distance from lens. The clarity and results it produced were great. If you enjoy taking pictures of small things with your phone, you will absolutely love using this lens. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.